Tila dismayado ang anak ni Caridad Sanchez na si Cathy Babaw matapos mag-post ang isang netizen at sabihin ngang ganito na pala ang itsura ni Caridad Sanchez ngayon, payat at tila may sakit. Kaya naman nagbigay ng pahayag si Cathy at nilinaw ang mga pahayag na ito ng netizen. Ayon kasi sa netizen, ito na pala siya ngayon. Siya ay isang veterana, sikat at magaling na artista. Siya ay si Caridad Sanchez. Bukod sa pagkakaroon ng katandaan, mukhang meron din siyang sakit na dinaramdam ngayon. Ang laki ng pinayat niya. Dahil dito, sumagot naman si Cathy at sinabing may Alzheimer's ang kanyang ina na ngayon ay 95 years old na. Ayon kay Cathy, rather than speculate, which is highly disrespectful, it's better to do your research. Everyone will grow old, and as you grow old, your risk for dementia or Alzheimer's, which is a form of dementia, increases with age. Dito ay mas lalong ipinaliwanag ni Cathy ang tungkol sa Alzheimer's. Let's set the record straight about Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is a condition that slowly changes how the brain works. It affects memory, thinking, and even simple daily tasks. There's no cure for it yet. Nothing can stop it completely or reverse it, but it can be managed. With the right care, patience, and a lot of love, people living with Alzheimer's can still have moments of joy, laughter, and connection. Routines help, music helps, familiar faces and places help. Sinabi din ni Kat ang ganito, some medicines can slow things down a little bit, but mostly it's the steady presence of kind hearts that makes the biggest difference. So while we can't fix it, we can walk alongside those we love as gently and as faithfully as we can. One day, one memory, one story at a time. Nag-comment naman ng isang netizen. Miss Caridad Sanchez is my Lolo Leon's Monsieur's first cousin. According to my Lolo, they both studied at Cebu City with their Uncle Buyong who brought them to school. Tita Karing daw ay nagtapos ng abogada. Si Lolo ay di nakatapos dahil nagbulakbol sa pag-aaral at nagbisyo. Sabi naman ng isang netizen, sana daw ay hinay-hinay din ng mga fans or mga netizen sa pagpo-post ng picture lalo na't hindi magiging maganda ang comment ng mga tao tungkol dito.